Santa lost his elves.
Oh no!
We don't know where the elves are. He lost the elves.
That's so sad.
It's okay. We will help Santa find the elves. Okay?
Okay.
I need one person to be Santa.
Yeah, look, I look like Santa. I mean, God.
Okay. This is a twist on Marco Polo, except that we're not going to say Marco Polo. You're Santa and you say, elves, elves, where are you?
Elves, elves, where are you?
Okay. You are the elves and you say, here I am, here I am, here I am. But you escape, okay? You don't want to be caught.
Oh no.
Ready? Ready, Santa?
Yeah. Ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho, okay. Remember, elves, elves, where are you?
Elves, elves, where are you?
Here I am, here I am.
Elves, elves, where are you? Here I am, here I am. Elves, elves, where are you? I think this is the
That's
elf.
one elf, that's one elf.
That's a tall elf.
That's the second one, that's the second elf.
Elves, elf, where are you? Here I am, here I am. That's not
That's
the
not an elf.
Elf, where are you? Here I am, here I am. She's moving too much. Here I am. Elf, where are you? Here I am. Ah, I caught her.
Nice.
That's the second elf.
Okay, just a nice variation on Santa. You found the elves.
I found the elves.
On Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
We gotta make
Bye.
the choice now. Get to work.